In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Pipedrive deal cards. Customizing your deal cards can provide you a clearer, more efficient overview of your sales pipeline, allowing you to focus on the critical information that drives decision making. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to Pipedrive's website. Open your preferred web browser and enter pipedrive.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home screen of Pipedrive. From here, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now you'll need to enter your login credentials. Carefully type your email address and password into the respective fields. Remember to double check for typos, as they can prevent successful logins. Once your credentials are filled in, press the login button again to access your Pipedrive account. Once inside your account, it's time to head over to the pipeline section. This is where all your deals are neatly organized. Navigate to your dashboard and you'll see a menu option labeled Pipeline. Click on this to enter the deals section where we can make our customizations. Here you should see a drop down menu which can be accessed by clicking on the pipeline label. This drop down provides more options related to your deals. What we want to do next is select Customize Deal Cards from this menu. This selection will allow us to modify the layout and information displayed on your deal cards. Now comes the fun part, choosing the fields that you wish to display. Pipedrive offers a variety of different fields related to your deals, such as the deal name, the deal value, and more. Choose the fields that are most relevant to your business needs. You can then move on to customize fields within the deals section. Again, select those fields that are most important to you. Next, let's customize the fields related to people. This section lets you select the information displayed about the individuals associated with each deal. Prioritize fields like contact details that could be crucial for ongoing communication. Similarly, you can adjust the fields displayed for organizations. Customize these based on the specific requirements of your organization to streamline how you review organizational data in your pipeline. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Once you've made all your selections and adjustments, locate the Save button at the bottom of the customization panel and click it. This ensures all your customizations are stored and reflected on your deal cards going forward. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Pipedrive deal cards.